step-by-step guide to compose a winning personal statement. Hello, welcome back to your channel. I'm Zenebe Hailu and this is English for Africa with Zenebe Hailu. This video is all about compiling a personal statement, which is frequently asked for at the end of application forms. So a personal statement is a concise description of your skills and experiences that are relevant to a particular job or position. And hence, I hope this video lesson will help you to compose a winning personal statement for any job, anywhere. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and we're gonna start by liking the video. Let's hit it. So let's start by looking at the professional way of planning your personal statement. So these are the basics of writing a personal statement. Most personal statements are neatly presented and covering no more than one side of A4 paper size, and they are arranged in 3 to 5 clearly planned paragraphs. Again, they are written using personal pronoun I, and lastly, they might be handwritten or typed. Whatever it is you are using, the presentation is very important, and we are going to look at that one. So like any kind of writing format, personal statement can be composed using 3 parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. In the introduction part, you include information or facts related to the background of your life and experiences relevant to the job specification. We are going to see what is job specification later in this video. So the introduction part, it is going to be 1 paragraph. When we come to the body part, you include an outline of experiences that focuses on skills required for this position, and it has to be linked to the personal specification. We're gonna see what personal specification is later in this video, and the body part is expected to be 1 or 2 paragraphs. And then we come to the conclusion paragraph or part. So the conclusion is a summary of why you are suitable for the job. You include pointers, information that is related to the summary of why you are suitable for the job, and that's going to be 1 paragraph. Here I'm going to provide you some important pointers before you are going to see an example. Before starting to write your personal statement, you must read the job description you are applying for and the person specification very carefully. So what is this person specification? A person specification identifies the skills and personal qualities that are required to do the job well. In every advertisement, they are given. And then based on the given job specification and person specification, you will then make a list of your skills and talents. And don't forget that always you need to adhere to the job specification and decide what you should add to your personal statement for the job you are applying for. Don't forget, you must select the pointers which will create the best impression, so you need to be selective. Now I'm going to provide you an example. So here we have Balloons Day Nursery. They are requiring a nursery care assistant, and they posted this advertisement. So these are the job description listed below. If you don't know what a job description is, it states the day-to-day duties and tasks of the job, and they are listed below. You will adhere to and implement child protection procedures. You will promote the policies and procedures relating to equal opportunities, financial regulations, quality, health and safety, and data protection. So these are the job description required by the company, which is Balloons Day Nursery. Then comes a person specification. As I've said earlier, a person specification identifies the skills and personal qualities that are required to do the job well. And the Balloons Day Nursery, they have listed the points below that they require as a person specification. The first one is you must have some prior experience of working with children and be able to organize creative activities. Second, you don't need to have qualification, but we expect you to become NNAB qualified. And lastly, a first aid certificate and clean driving license would be useful. So these are the 3 things they are looking for the person applying for the job position as a person specification. Okay, let's move on. So based on the job advertisement we have seen, we are ready to proceed to the next round. So based on the job description and the personal specification about the job you are applying for, you will proceed to preparing your own personal profile using the headings I'm going to show you below, or you can use your own diagram. This will allow you to add or remove any headings to include all your information when you write your personal statement later. So these are the headings that you can use to add your information: surname or family name, first name, date of birth, educational qualification, skills, work experience, strengths or personal qualities. So list out every kind of information based on these headings. At the end, you can add or remove any kind of information you don't want. So this will help you to be selective. So this is what the introductory paragraph may look like. I'm 27 years old, married and the father of 2 young children. Since the birth of my youngest child, I've become involved in the care of children within my community. I really enjoy this work, and as a result, I'm very keen to take up a permanent post working in child care provision. I have experience of working with children in any range of settings. So in the introductory paragraph, I have provided some facts about myself, my background, and why I wanted the job. So always you need to think of 2 or 3 facts about yourself, your background, that you could use in the opening sentence of your first paragraph. And you need to link your sentences to your reason for applying for this job. For example, I stated that I enjoyed working with children and have been involved in this type of work before. This will give you advantage when you are applying. Now comes the body part, which is part 2. How do we compose it? Let's look at it together. During my time at college, I completed work experience on the NVQ2 early years course. My responsibilities included looking after the children's physical needs and supporting NVQ level 3 staff in play activities. In addition, I have volunteered at my 3-year-old son's summer school playgroup, which involved me in setting up art and craft sessions. Furthermore, I am a member of my daughter's primary school parent-teacher association. The PTA, which means Parent-Teacher Association, likes the children to take part in fundraising events for their school, and I have helped with this. These experiences have helped me to develop an understanding of working with children. This is the body part. Let me give you a little explanation over here. In the body part of my personal statement, I have given details of my work experience, program, and my involvement in community work with children. So what I can give you as a tip here is that the easiest thing you can do is organize your paragraph into clear sentences, and to achieve clarity, organize your information as follows. First point, main point, then list out the explanation and provide examples. Now we're going to move to the concluding part, or the conclusion part 3. Now based on the information of the job I'm applying for, I can organize concluding paragraph as follows. The same thing I have used earlier in the body part. Main point, skills and personal qualities for this position, and then followed by explanation, variety of experiences working with children in paid and voluntary work, and you may include hobbies and interests. Then follows example, always offering good examples to children, patient and understanding, always fair, treating all children with respect and dignity. Now, let me show you how you can organize this into a concluding paragraph. Through my paid and voluntary work, my hobbies and my interests, I have learned a variety of skills necessary for working with children. I'm patient and understanding. I'm a good listener. In order to be a good example to children, I treat them with fairly and justly. I understand the importance of practicing equal opportunities and not judging. Through the creative work which the children have done, I have learned to respect their ideas, as well as the skills I have learned from working with children. I also have useful skills linked to my hobbies and interests. My hobbies and interests are mainly practical. They have proved very useful when working with children. I love all aspects of art and craft and design, and I have supervised several modeling and painting sessions. My carpentry skills helped me to design simple bird boxes which primary school children made. I believe I am imaginative, enthusiastic. I would enjoy using these skills to help create exciting learning experiences. Now we are moving to the end of the video, but before I end the video, I'm going to share with you my final thoughts. When writing your personal statement, use the information you have learned about your choosing job from the advertisement about job roles and duties, personal specification, and any additional information. Secondly, before you begin, reread your checklist for writing personal statements, and don't forget plan your work carefully. Thirdly, proofread each draft. Remember that proofreading is about checking for meaning, grammar, punctuation, and spelling. So these are my final thoughts that I can give you. And thank you for tuning until the end of the video. If you have any question, you can write them down in the comment section of the video. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and of course like the video. I'm going to see you soon. Bye.